job is not always going to fulfill you. There will be some days that you just might be bored. Other days you may not feel like going to work at all. Go anyway. And remember that your job is not who you are. It's just what you're doing on the way to who you will become. Every remedial chore, every boss who takes credit for your ideas, that is going to happen. Look for the lessons, because the lessons are always there. And the number one lesson I can offer you where your work is concerned is this: become so skilled, so vigilant, so flat out fantastic at what you do that your talent cannot be dismissed.
I know what confidence is not. It's not perfection. It's not saying the right things all the time. It's not demanding attention all the time. It's not loud. Confidence is really believing in yourself. It's knowing your value. It's knowing who you are, how far you've come. It's also understanding that there's still room to grow, and it's how you carry yourself throughout all of that.
I don't chase, I attract. What's meant for me will simply find me.
They always say, strong women intimidate men. True, outside my house, I am a strong woman, I'm a boss lady. But when I come home, I want to hang that on the door. I don't want to take that home with me, I'm tired. I want to be a female, I want to be a girl, I want to be spoiled, I want to just let go of all these things, and I want a man to take care of me. But if I come home, and that man is not there, guess what? I have to keep my pants on. I have to stay the boss lady. I have to remain the female that's tapped into her masculine. So it takes a balance for a woman to go back into her feminine. But only an awakened man, only a man that's fully in his masculine energy can make a woman reach that point. Otherwise, a woman is always going to remain in her masculine.
I don't think you get celebrated enough. You should be celebrated for every aspect of your growth. You should be celebrated for your creativity, for your fearlessness, for your persistence and determination. You should be celebrated for all the effort that you put into building your future.
It's wild to me when I isolated myself to dig inward, find myself and build my business. It's funny that the crickets, nobody checked in on me. It is wild, the people that you think are your friends.
Yep.
And then they don't have anything to say when you I literally disappeared off the face of the earth. I was sad for 1 second, and then I was like, you know what? This is God-given, that He is opening doors that need to be opened and closing ones that need to be closed.